Welcome to another episode of Cliffy's Kitchen. We want to express a great appreciation for the love you continue to show and the support you continue to show for our channel. What are we doing for you tonight? I'm preparing oxtail for Sunday dinner. It's a favorite of so many of you. It has even been requested by some of you. So guess what? Before showing you the preparation, I'm going to give you 5 seconds for you to hit that subscribe button, and then we can move on. Okay, let's go right into our preparation now. For the seasoning of my oxtail, I have a set of fresh seasonings here. Starting at the left, I have Scotch bonnet pepper, I have thyme, ginger, garlic, onion, and scallion. For my additional seasoning, I have salt, a mixture of green herbs and spices, soy sauce, garlic powder, and crushed pimento. These will really give you such a polished taste oxtail that it will be unforgettable. The taste will be unforgettable. So now I'm going to apply them to the meat and rub them in. Well, here's my oxtail. You can see it in the bowl there. They're already washed and pat dry, and that will help in, of course, absorbing the seasoning really well. This oxtail is 4 pounds, and so for that amount, the proportion of salt, or the amount of salt I'm using, is 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon, right? So dust that in. And I am also using 1 teaspoon of crushed pimento. You see, this will get into the meat really faster than just throwing the seeds in there. If you want your meat to really have that nice flavor, then crush your pimento. Here's a nice mixture of green herbs and spices. I'm just using this proportionally, so I won't tell you any quantity. We just use a little that we think would be enough to take care of that amount of meat. Now for my garlic powder, again we will put in some proportionally, and we think that is good enough to take care of that amount for meat. I'm using 2 tablespoonfuls of soy sauce. Reason for this, I have used limited amount of regular salt because you know the soy sauce also is salt, so you don't want it to be too much overall. So 2 tablespoons along with the rest of salt will bring it up to the right taste. You pour that all over and we will soon rub that in. Now to get my natural season in, we have already told you what these are: your garlic, your onion, your scallion, you name it. All of these will now be rubbed in, massage it in, whatever we want to say. And you can just imagine in your mind, when this is left for a few hours, how it's gonna taste. So I'm going to just rub these in now. This is how I do it. With this amount of seasoning in here, I'll show you what we will do with it tomorrow when it's time to start cooking, because we're heading for ultimate taste, as we're gonna dub this the best oxtail in the whole wide world. And you'll see what we mean tomorrow, and we'll tell you about it in a future video. This will do for now. We are going to leave it on for quite a few hours before. Time to cover up this bad boy here now and put it on the fridge. Tomorrow, God's willing, I'm sure that it will deliver just as expected. So in the fridge overnight, we take care of it tomorrow.